I went from wearing my old jeans and t-shirt every day to looking like my favorite influencer's Instagram feed. This one application will change your style game forever, get your closet on track, and reunite you with your hidden gems. So in this video, I will walk you through what is StyleBook all about, why it is a game changer, how to use it, and as a bonus, I'll throw in some tips for you so you can get started with this application as quickly as possible. So what is StyleBook? Basically, StyleBook is your virtual closet that will help you be more organized, creative, and mindful with your purchases. So no more fashion fatigue or no more impulse buying. This application is very easy to use, and once you are done with cataloging, it is going to be so much fun and engaging, just like online shopping. It has 90 plus features to help you with your closet chaoses, and some of the features, once you start using it, you'll realize that they are so much relaxing, just like those styling games. Before we move on to the next point, I have got two quick disclaimers. And listen to me carefully because I don't want you to miss out on the benefits of this application. Number one, this app is currently only available on iPad and iPhone. So don't worry if you are an Android user. I have a very similar app that runs on similar concept but slightly different features. So I'll leave the link to that application in the description. So do check it out. Number two, StyleBook is a paid app. It costs $6.99 Canadian or $4.99 US, but the benefits you get are priceless because this application is one-time purchase and you get access for lifetime. And if you still want something for free, I'll leave a link to another application that works on similar concept but different features, because our end goal is to be more creative, organized, and mindful about our closet, and I don't want you to miss this. So with that out of our way, let's move on to point number two, why this application is a game changer. Though there are many reasons, but I'll sum it up in 3 points. Number one, spot the hidden gems. Every fashionista has at least a few pieces in her collection that she cannot find, and if you change your seasonal closet, you might find it very difficult to incorporate your summer and winter clothes for styling and layering, so you don't feel satisfied with your collection. When you have everything listed on your virtual closet, you can literally see everything and you can just drag and drop and create outfit within seconds. Point number two, your style expert in your pocket. Being stylish is much more than just owning cool stuff. A fashion enthusiast knows about their body type, what suits them, styling technique, fabrics, and how to maintain their quality. The list is pretty long, but don't worry, StyleBook has got you covered. It has this huge section called Style Expert, completely dedicated to style techniques, saving and organizing tips, fabrics, and their care guides. It also has a list of books that you can read and expand your knowledge. It is kind of like your personal stylist in your pocket. Point number three, style stats for savvy shopping. Yes, it also provides real statistics. If you look at the stats, you'll find out so many things about your own style, personality, shopping habits, and it will keep you in check. It will tell you that you have so many blacks, whites, and grays, so maybe stop buying more shades of gray and maybe invest in more colorful pieces. And also, by looking at your statistics, you can find out that there are many pieces that might need replacement, so give them a new home and get some more pieces that can replace them. You can track what kind of fabric you enjoy the most. If there is any particular style that you keep repeating, maybe that's your personal style. So this will help you understand what you like, what you don't like. Maybe we are not very conscious about our personal style, but especially the statistics will help you understand so many things, and you can invest in pieces that give you joy and make you feel more confident. But on the other hand, it will also tell you what you don't enjoy. So if you notice that there is any particular item that you don't seem to repeat, maybe that's not for you, so stop buying them. and give them a new home and replace it with something that you actually enjoy. So these are my 3 reasons in short, but there are so many reasons to use StyleBook because it has so many features. So just a little reminder that if you are enjoying this content, give me and YouTube a big sign and like and subscribe to my channel and leave any comment or suggestion, and I'll be happy to help you out. Time for a quick tutorial, but before we start, I would highly recommend you watch this video till end, because at the end I'll share some tips that will help you get through this cataloging process as quickly as possible, and you can enjoy creating outfits on your fingertip. To build a catalog, start by clicking a picture of your item and remove the background. You can use the scroller or go for manual edit. You can move around and remove the background using eraser or tap method. If you make mistakes, don't worry. You can either undo or replace the image later on. Once the background is removed, tap on the note and pen button to add description of the item like color, fabric, size, season, brand, status, etc. You can also add description like office wear, waist style, length, or notes about how you like to style it or what kind of undergarment might be required for a particular dress. Once the details are in, choose the category and you are done. You can add or remove categories based on your requirements. You can plan your outfits and save it in the calendar for easy access, and now you have a clear picture of what you will be wearing each day. So if something needs a wash or ironing, you can get it fixed before time. Also, you will have a clear idea of how many items you have lent to your friend, so you can give them a reminder that you need it back. I love this feature because I often forget to get stuff back from my friends, and we are all busy in our lives, so we just forget about it. So now I can keep track of the things somebody borrowed from me. Now some tips to make the process faster and more fun. Tip number 1, start with batching your pictures. Cataloging your whole closet sounds daunting, but if you divide everything in small tasks and categories, it will be much quicker. For instance, start with trousers and focus on only taking pictures of all the trousers. Once pictures are ready, start editing, or go by colors and use this next step to cut your time in cataloging. Tip number 2, choose appropriate background. So the crop tool works on edge detection system, so if you use contrast background for your items, it will help remove the background easily. Suppose you are using white bag or shoes, use black as a background, so it will easily cut out the item and it will be much faster to catalog it. Tip number 3 is try to shoot in a bright light. The lighting can make a huge difference, and a good natural light will bring out the true colors of the outfits. So while mixing and matching, you'll be able to see how it will appear in real life. Also, it looks more appealing and more professional, just like a shopping website. And this 4th tip is amazing because it cuts all the time in removing background. If you know, Apple has this feature where you can long press on any picture and it will create a sticker, and you can copy and paste it anywhere. So while cataloging, if you press on plus button, you'll see it will show adding clothes, and then the first option would be to paste. So you can just go to your album and copy by long pressing it and paste on the catalog. It will be easily transferred and you don't have to do any touch-ups after that. So yeah, so now you have a secret weapon in your arsenal, so just go and start winning your fashion battles. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.